I just want to show you guys where I was staying in Singapore. This is my apartment. In this video, I'm going to show you where I have stayed in Singapore. I will show you the entire apartment, the swimming pool as you can see, the gym and all the amenities. I will also break down the prices, how many days I have stayed here and how much it cost me to stay in this apartment. I will also tell you the locations and everything that you need to know in case if you want to stay in Singapore in the future. So let's rewind back so I can show you how this apartment looks. Please continue watching. The name of this apartment is Fortville. I've still got those tokens. Opens this door. So the reception is this way. I'm going to show you guys the reception when I come back down. But the name of this apartment is Fortville. So yeah, I'm going to show you the room that I was staying in, and I will also I can break down the prices if you want to know how much it is. Thank you. Yes, I'm going up. Now 4, I'm going level 4. Okay, if you want me to break down the prices, you let me know. I think I'm already at that was pretty. Where would I stay? So my room is here. That's the room, and I need some code, so I actually need to get the code out and then I'll show you guys inside. So just hang on because I don't remember the code off my head. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's very tiny, but yeah, it's very nice for 1 or 2 people. So comes with free Wi-Fi. Obviously you can see the TV, we've got kitchen and laundry, so we've got basically everything. The toilet or the bathroom is a decent size, you can see me there. So it's a decent size toilet or bathroom. The shower head is very nice, we've got 2 shower heads. So yeah, it's a very tiny room, but not like in Bali where you get huge villas and all that kind of stuff. Even when I look out the window, let me just zoom out a little bit, hopefully you can see. You can see how small those Singapore apartments are and where people hang their clothes. Yeah, there's just like a metal rod coming out and people hanging their clothes on them. So that's on the building across on the other side. So yeah, Singapore apartments are extremely small. So we've got a pool area. It's not that one, that belongs to the other building. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I will show you how our pool area looks. So yeah, so there you have it. So this is this was my room. A mirror here. The fridge is right there. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with all the amenities that you need. So they don't have a bin, so you just put your rubbish in there and you close it, and it falls down into like a big rubbish bin and it gets taken by the truck. So yeah, there you have it. I just wanted to show you where I've stayed. In terms of prices, I know a lot of people will be wondering how much I've paid for this place. Singapore is one of the most expensive countries in the world. So this was super expensive, well, to me anyway. For a very small apartment like this, I would expect it to be a lot cheaper. However, this was 1,700 Australian dollars for 8 nights. So yeah, 1,700 Australian dollars for 8 nights. USD, that probably about 1,500 USD for 8 nights. So yeah, there you have it. That's the price for this place. And the CBD is not far. It's been costing us around about between $11 to $13 Singaporean dollars to get from here to the CBD to the city. We are not far from the city. I think it's about 6 kilometers away. And the price to get from here to the city, there's also a train station about under 10 minutes walk, and you can just get the train from there to get to the city. You can watch my videos on the Singapore train. They are extremely convenient. So because I have checked out now and off the air conditioned because nobody's in this room at the moment, and the housekeeping, okay, Yep, now it's off. The housekeeping people that will be coming here very shortly, I'll also grab this and this one off as well, and then I will turn off the lights. So yeah, my last day here in Singapore. I'm heading back to Australia, to where I live. I live in Australia. So yep, the door just locks by itself because it's a digital door. I'm gonna go down to level 2 and I will show you guys how the pool area looks. I haven't actually swam at the pool since I came here, but yeah, I will go down and show you guys how the swimming pool looks. Which elevators coming up? It's this one. Okay. So I'm gonna go down to level 2. I believe that's where the swimming pool is. I have only been there once, however I haven't used the swimming pool. So I'm going on level 2. That was so quick. So which way? I think it's this way. Normally you press this white button, but the door is already open. I don't need to use my tokens. The reason I've got them in this bag because I'm just about to return it because I am checking out. Yeah, but I hope you guys have enjoyed all my videos here in Singapore. If you haven't seen them, definitely check them out. If you did enjoy them, definitely subscribe. So this is the pool area. It's very nice, neat. Unfortunately, I didn't get to use this pool area. So yeah, and this is the building I was staying at. So yeah, barbecue section down that way. There's somebody sitting there. I don't want to record them. So there's like this jacuzzi thing. There's a mini gym. So I don't know if you can see behind those doors. I don't really want to go inside. Maybe I could. Okay. Well, the door is open. So there is like a mini gym in here. It's not that big, but yeah. So I'm gonna go down. So these are the toilets. There's female and the male toilet. And this is where we get dropped off by the car. So I'm gonna go down, check out, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed my videos in Singapore. I will be uploading a lot more videos, so definitely stay tuned. But this is not the end of it. I have a lot of videos to upload. I have a lot of videos from Bali, Indonesia to upload. So definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. I'm going down to the ground level to check out. Hang on. Is it going up or oops? Okay. It looks like the elevator is going up. Thought it was going down, but that's fine. You going down or you going up? Are you going up? Okay. Whoop. That's okay. I'm going down. So, you going up or down? Down? No. I'm going down too. I'm checking out, man. Is that it? You don't need ID or anything else? No problem. Thank you. So yeah, that's it. I have just checked out. That's the reception. I will show you guys how the road looks. The name of this apartment is out there. It's Fortville. So yeah, there you have it. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have watched and enjoyed all my other videos. This is my last day in Singapore. I'm out of here waiting for my ride to pick me up to head to Changi Airport, Singapore International Airport, and then I'm heading back to Australia. So leave a comment if you have any questions. If I didn't show you, or if you have any questions about Singapore, about my stay, definitely leave a comment and I will do my best to answer your questions. But for now, peace out and I love you guys all.